Okay, now, give me the name of the story.
Hello.
What's the book called, Lysra, that you're reading?
About Piggy and the Bunny.
Piggy and the Bunny? Okay.
One day Piggy went to see the Jello, but Bunny didn't like Jello to eat. But Mr. Pig, the baby pig, was like that. But Mama Pig, I won't egg. But Mr. Bunny saw Mr. Pig. But Mr. Pig doesn't like that. But all the Mr. Pigs and people try to see that. But every day, you see the, no, get out of my favorite! But Mr. People see that. Please, please, get out of my favorite. No, no, no! And everybody likes to eat the pie. But everybody said, but Mama Pig said, I don't want to see that. But Mr. Bunny wasn't like that. But all the cancer was done. Good end.
And